Hey guys, Adam here with AmericanTrucks.com, and I've got some news for the mid-sized truck lovers out there who are in need of an off-road fix. This morning, Ford announced a new package. The Tremor is being added to the 2021 Ranger lineup. Now, Ford says this is the most off-road ready factory-built Ranger ever offered in the US. Now, before we get into details, subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on all Ford news, product reviews, and future content. As you know, the Ford Ranger Rebirth is still relatively new to dealer lots in the US. We haven't had them here in the States for very long, and not only that, but overseas is seeing bigger upgrades like the Ranger Raptor. Up until now, the only real off-road package available for the Ranger in the US was the FX4. Not a bad option for those looking for a mid-sized truck with some added off-road capabilities, but trucks like the Colorado ZR2 and the Jeep Gladiator seem to impress a little bit more in the off-road arena. Now, Ford is beefing things up with the addition of the Tremor package. Now, the Tremor package is everything you'd want just shy of the Ranger Raptor. The Tremor will feature a lifted suspension, new front knuckles, and Fox 2.0 monotube shocks with external reservoirs. Those shocks and reservoirs are tuned for a more comfortable on-road ride, but maintain control off-road in even the toughest terrains. Upgraded multi-leaf rear springs will increase wheel travel in the front by 6.5 inches over the base model, while the rear travel increases an impressive 8.1 inches. Now, the Tremor will have 2.2 degree improvement in approach angle, now at 30.9 degrees, a 25.5 degree departure angle, which is up 0.1 degrees, and 24.2 degree breakover angle, which is up 2.7 degrees. For tires, we're not quite getting the BF Goodrich 32 all-terrain tires from the Ranger Raptor, but you can expect 32-inch Continental General Grabber all-terrains. Now, those larger tires and the aforementioned suspension upgrades combined for 9.7 inches of ground clearance. Compare that to the off-road FX4 package, 8.9 inches. Now, that's not an insane improvement, but 0.8 inches is an improvement nonetheless. Those new General Grabber tires are wrapped around new 17-inch magnetic painted wheels, which give the new Ranger Tremor a 1-inch wider, obviously more aggressive stance. The frame will have a front bash plate mounted to it, along with underbody skid plates for protection. New rear tow hooks are added to the Tremor for a more improved recovery opportunity, and it's got a great 6-switch aux power bank on the dashboard. Obviously, that's going to be great for guys and gals looking to add some accessories like a winch, aftermarket lighting, or an air compressor to air down your tires when hitting the trails. Speaking of hitting the trails, a rear locking diff and terrain management system with 4 different drive modes will help with that. The 4 modes include normal, mud ruts mode, sand, and grass gravel snow mode. Normal mode puts torque at the front wheels and sends it to the rear as needed. Mud ruts mode gets a little bit more aggressive, limits upshifting to stay at lower gears, and desensitizes stability control so the tires spin as needed in mud terrain. Sand mode sends max torque to the wheels and puts the 10-speed trans in lower gears for as long as possible so the wheels can spin aggressively. Finally, grass, gravel, and snow modes place the throttle into a setting that minimizes wheel slippage. As far as exterior and appearance goes, there's an optional decal package that adds a few stripes to the hood, doors, and the sides of the bed, along with some accents in the front grille. Even without the decal package, there's a noticeable difference in the Tremor compared to the Lariat, for example. The Tremor has really nice drop steps you can get safely in and out of the truck with, a magnetic painted front grille with black bars running across the middle, and red nostril accents, as Ford describes it. And the Tremor comes equipped with special badging on both sides of the bed, where you've seen the Sport, FX4, and the 4x4 decals in other packages. The interior is fitted with suede inserted seats and the Tremor name stitched into the seat backs along with black accents. As far as the powertrain, it's pretty much staying the same with the 2.3-liter EcoBoost motor putting out 270 horse and 310 torque, continuing to be paired with the 10-speed automatic trans, along with 4-wheel drive as a standard feature. The Tremor package is expected to be a $4,290 package add-on available for the Super Crew 4x4 XLT mid models and the high Lariat models on the 2021 Ranger. Production for the Tremor models is expected to begin early 2021 at the Michigan Assembly Plant in Wayne. Overall, I'm really excited to see this thing in action. The Colorado ZR2, Jeep Gladiator, and even the Tacoma TRD Pro have been pretty damn impressive in the mid-size off-road truck arena. So I'm looking forward to the Ranger Tremor stepping up their part in the competition. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think of the new package. Is it something you consider picking up for yourself, or are you still waiting for a Ranger Raptor in the US? Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date for more news, content, and product reviews. Keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.